How to use the upgraded Safari browsing mode in iOS 18.3. Firstly, launch the Safari app on your device. In the Safari web browser, you will see an interface like this. Click on the two overlapping icons on the bottom right corner. Now you will see all your tabs. At the bottom, there's the option called Private. This is also called Incognito mode on Chrome. Now you can click on the plus icon at the bottom left corner to add a new page. Now go back to your home page and open the Settings application. In your settings, search for Safari app and open it. Scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will see the option Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. So if you have the private browsing tab open, then nobody will be able to see it. You can protect your private tabs by using Face ID. In your Safari web browser, go to the Tabs section, tap on this icon at the bottom. Now you can click on the private option to open private tabs. That's all for today. Thank you.